HD Interiors fans. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your channel. The kitchen has become much more than just a place for cooking. It's now the heart of the home, where style meets comfort, and function blends effortlessly with beauty. A modern kitchen isn't defined by one single look or material. It's about creating a space that feels open, balanced, and perfectly in tune with your lifestyle. Whether it's the warmth of natural textures, the sophistication of clean lines, or the convenience of smart innovations, today's kitchens reflect a sense of simplicity and purpose. Every detail, from lighting to layout, contributes to an atmosphere that inspires creativity and connection. In this video, we'll explore some of the most inspiring modern kitchen trends and remodeling ideas that can completely transform the way you experience your home. From sleek designs to timeless finishes, get ready to discover how to elevate your kitchen into a space that's both functional and breathtakingly beautiful. One of the most defining features of a modern kitchen is the open concept layout. This design approach removes unnecessary walls and barriers, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living spaces. It allows light to travel freely across the room, making the entire area feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. An open layout isn't just about aesthetics, it's about connection. It transforms the kitchen into a social hub where cooking, entertaining, and relaxing all happen together. Families can interact more naturally, and guests feel included in the experience rather than separated by walls. To maintain a sense of organization, subtle zoning techniques work beautifully. You can use a kitchen island to define the cooking area, a pendant light cluster to frame the dining zone, or a change in flooring texture to visually separate spaces without closing them off. This thoughtful design ensures that the openness remains practical, balanced, and visually harmonious. Simplicity is at the heart of modern kitchen design, and the minimalist approach captures that perfectly. This style focuses on clean lines, smooth surfaces, and an uncluttered atmosphere that feels calm and balanced. It's about removing visual noise and allowing every element to serve a clear purpose. Handleless cabinets, hidden storage, and integrated appliances all contribute to that sleek and uninterrupted look. Surfaces are kept simple, often in soft neutrals or muted tones, creating a sense of serenity that enhances both form and function. The beauty lies in precision and restraint, where even the smallest detail feels intentional. Minimalist kitchens are not cold or empty, they're warm, inviting, and thoughtfully designed. A touch of texture through natural wood, subtle lighting accents, or a statement backsplash can add character while keeping the space clean and cohesive. The result is a timeless kitchen that feels effortlessly modern and beautifully composed. Bringing nature into the kitchen has become one of the most beautiful ways to create warmth and character in a modern space. Natural materials like wood, stone, and marble introduce organic textures that balance sleek surfaces and clean lines. They add depth, authenticity, and a sense of calm that makes the kitchen feel both elegant and welcoming. Wood cabinetry, whether in light oak or rich walnut, instantly softens the look of a contemporary design. Pairing it with stone countertops or a marble backsplash creates a refined contrast that feels grounded and luxurious at the same time. These materials age gracefully, developing subtle variations that add even more charm over time. To enhance the natural aesthetic, consider matte finishes and earthy color tones that highlight the beauty of raw materials. Combining these elements gives the kitchen a timeless appeal, one that feels fresh, organic, and deeply connected to its surroundings. Color plays a powerful role in shaping the mood of a kitchen, and warm, neutral tones have become a favorite for creating spaces that feel both modern and inviting. Soft shades of beige, taupe, gray, and muted greens bring a calming effect, offering a backdrop that feels timeless rather than trendy. These tones work beautifully on walls, cabinetry, or even larger surfaces like countertops and flooring. Pairing neutrals with natural wood accents adds depth and warmth, making the space feel more welcoming. A light oak cabinet paired with a stone countertop, or a muted gray wall softened by walnut shelving, creates a balanced atmosphere that's both stylish and comfortable. The beauty of neutral palettes lies in their versatility. They provide the freedom to layer in textures, metals, or pops of color through decor and accessories without overwhelming the design. The result is a kitchen that feels harmonious, sophisticated, and endlessly adaptable. Countertops have become a true design statement in modern kitchens, moving beyond their purely functional role. Natural materials like marble, quartzite, and granite are highly sought after for their durability and unique beauty. Each slab tells its own story with distinctive patterns and textures, turning the countertop into a centerpiece rather than just a work surface. Bold veining and dramatic contrasts are increasingly popular, adding character and depth to the overall design. A striking stone countertop can complement a minimalist kitchen by providing a focal point or enhance a warm, neutral palette with rich natural detail. At the same time, these surfaces are built to last. They resist heat, handle daily use with ease, and remain timeless in appearance. Choosing natural stone or bold finishes is not just about luxury, it's about investing in a material that combines elegance with longevity, ensuring the kitchen remains as stunning as it is functional. A modern kitchen often shines when different materials and textures are combined to create depth and character. Rather than relying on a single finish, designers are blending wood, stone, glass, and metal to add layers of interest. This mix introduces variety without feeling overwhelming, allowing the space to feel dynamic yet harmonious. Matte cabinetry paired with glossy stone countertops creates a refined contrast, while brushed metal fixtures against natural wood surfaces bring warmth and sophistication. Glass accents, whether in shelving or cabinet doors, add a sense of openness and lightness. The beauty of mixing materials lies in balance. It allows each element to complement the other, highlighting natural textures and finishes. This approach not only enhances visual appeal but also makes the kitchen feel more personal, tailored, and rich in detail. Sustainability has become an essential part of modern kitchen design, with more homeowners choosing options that are kind to both the home and the environment. Eco-friendly materials such as bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled stone offer beauty while reducing environmental impact. These choices prove that style and responsibility can go hand in hand. Energy-efficient appliances are another key element, helping reduce utility costs while conserving resources. Induction cooktops, low-energy refrigerators, and water-saving fixtures add to the kitchen's efficiency without compromising on performance. Sustainability isn't just about big decisions, it's also found in the details. Durable surfaces that last for years, finishes with low chemical emissions, and thoughtful waste management solutions all contribute to a healthier living space. By incorporating eco-friendly elements, the kitchen becomes a place that not only looks beautiful but also supports a mindful and responsible lifestyle. Lighting has the power to completely transform the atmosphere of a kitchen, and modern designs treat it as both a functional necessity and a design feature. Pendant lights suspended above an island or dining counter draw the eye and create a focal point, while recessed fixtures ensure an even, practical spread of light throughout the space. LED strips under cabinets or within shelving add subtle layers of illumination, highlighting textures and creating a soft, ambient glow. These details not only improve visibility but also enhance the mood, making the kitchen feel warm and inviting at any time of day. For those looking to make a bold impression, sculptural or oversized fixtures can act as statement pieces, almost like art in the center of the room. Thoughtfully chosen lighting not only brightens the space but also elevates the entire design, blending utility with personality. The backsplash has evolved from being purely practical to becoming one of the most expressive features of a kitchen. Full-height backsplashes made of marble, quartz, or bold tile designs now extend from the countertop all the way to the ceiling, creating a striking visual statement. These surfaces not only protect the walls but also set the tone for the entire space. Texture and pattern play a big role in modern designs. From geometric tiles to metallic finishes, the backsplash can add depth and personality while reflecting light in interesting ways. Some designs even continue the countertop material up the wall, creating a seamless and elegant flow. What makes the backsplash especially versatile is how it balances function with artistry. It provides an opportunity to introduce color, contrast, or a dramatic focal point, while still serving its everyday purpose. A well-designed backsplash transforms the kitchen into a space that feels polished, creative, and truly unique. Even in the most modern kitchens, the details are what make the space feel alive and welcoming. Open shelving styled with carefully chosen pieces, like ceramic dishes, cookbooks, or plants, adds personality without overwhelming the design. These touches create a balance between functionality and charm. Soft elements such as cushions on bar stools, a textured rug beneath the dining area, or linen curtains at the windows bring warmth and comfort to the sleek lines of modern cabinetry and countertops. Greenery also plays a role, with potted herbs or indoor plants adding freshness and a sense of life to the room. The goal is to make the kitchen not only efficient and stylish but also inviting. By layering in these cozy details, the space becomes more than a cooking area. It transforms into a place where people naturally want to gather, relax, and connect. Flooring sets the foundation for the entire kitchen, and modern designs focus on surfaces that combine durability with style. Large format tiles are a popular choice, creating a sleek, continuous look that minimizes grout lines and makes the space feel more expansive. Polished concrete offers a contemporary edge with its smooth finish and resilience, while hardwood flooring brings warmth and timeless character. Beyond materials, pattern and layout add another layer of design. Herringbone or chevron wood floors introduce movement and elegance, while mixing stone with wood creates a striking contrast that defines different areas within an open layout. Practicality remains at the core. Modern flooring is chosen not only for its appearance but also for its ability to handle the demands of daily life, resisting spills, foot traffic, and wear over time. With the right choice, the kitchen floor becomes both a design feature and a lasting investment in comfort and beauty. Storage is at the heart of every well-designed kitchen, and modern layouts emphasize both capacity and convenience. Larger pantries are becoming a must-have feature, offering space to keep ingredients, small appliances, and bulk items neatly organized. Whether it's a walk-in pantry or a wall of floor-to-ceiling cabinets, the goal is to keep the kitchen clutter-free while making essentials easy to reach. Inside these storage areas, smart solutions make all the difference. Pull-out drawers, adjustable shelving, and built-in racks ensure that every corner is functional. Even narrow spaces can be transformed into useful storage with sliding organizers for spices, trays, or cleaning supplies. The beauty of well-planned storage is that it creates a more enjoyable cooking experience. With everything in its place, countertops remain clear, and the kitchen feels open, efficient, and thoughtfully designed. A spacious pantry and clever storage systems are not just practical, they also elevate the sense of order and calm in the home. A growing design approach in modern homes is the concealed kitchen, where appliances and storage blend seamlessly into the overall space. Instead of seeing a clutter of handles, gadgets, and shelves, sliding panels, hidden cabinetry, and integrated systems create a smooth, streamlined look. The result is a kitchen that feels like part of the living area rather than a separate workspace. This design works especially well in open-plan homes, where keeping a clean, minimal appearance is important. Large cabinet doors can disguise refrigerators or ovens, while pocket doors hide small prep areas until they're needed. Even countertops can be designed with covers that transform a working surface into a sleek dining or entertaining spot. Concealed kitchens bring a sense of calm and order, making the space adaptable for both everyday use and hosting guests. By hiding the functional details, the design highlights the elegance of the room, allowing it to feel effortlessly modern and uncluttered. Every kitchen tells a story, and personalization is what makes the space truly unique. Beyond standard layouts and finishes, custom features allow the kitchen to reflect individual lifestyles and daily routines. Built-in coffee stations for morning rituals, wine storage for entertaining, or cozy breakfast nooks for family gatherings add character and comfort. Custom cabinetry can also be tailored to specific needs, whether it's a drawer designed for spices, hidden compartments for appliances, or shelving that highlights favorite decor pieces. These details make the kitchen feel intentional, not just functional. Personal touches go a long way in turning a modern design into a space that feels warm and lived in. A kitchen designed around the people who use it becomes more than just a cooking area. It becomes a personal retreat, perfectly blending style with meaning. A modern kitchen island is no longer just an extra counter. It has become the centerpiece of the room, designed to serve multiple purposes at once. From meal preparation to casual dining, it's a place where families gather, friends chat, and even work gets done. Its role extends beyond function, it often sets the tone for the entire kitchen design. Waterfall countertops, where the material flows seamlessly down the sides, bring a striking and modern statement. Beyond aesthetics, many islands now include built-in storage, pull-out drawers, or even hidden appliances to keep essentials close but out of sight. Some are equipped with a sink, cooktop, or wine cooler, turning the island into a true hub for cooking and entertaining. Whether large or compact, the island adds versatility and style, anchoring the kitchen while offering a perfect balance of practicality and design. It's a space that adapts to the rhythm of daily life, making the kitchen more welcoming and efficient. A modern kitchen is more than just a place to cook, it's a reflection of how we live, connect, and express our style. From open layouts and smart innovations to natural textures and personalized details, every design choice shapes the heart of the home in a unique way. The beauty of modern kitchen design lies in its balance, where functionality meets comfort, and sophistication blends effortlessly with warmth. Whether you're planning a complete remodel or simply refreshing your space, each idea we explored offers inspiration to create a kitchen that feels timeless and tailored to your lifestyle. It's about crafting a space that not only looks stunning but also makes daily life smoother and more enjoyable. If you found inspiration in these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more beautiful design insights. Let your kitchen become the perfect reflection of modern living, stylish, practical, and truly personal.